Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit audios using keyframes on the CapCut PC. So here I have this tutorial video that I want to edit the audio using the keyframes. So what you need to do is next first click on extract audio first. So right click on the video and choose extract audio. So now the audio has been separated from the video like this. And then to start using keyframes to edit the audio, you can just go to here, click on the audio, and in here you can see this diamond shape icon. This is the options to add a keyframe. So let's add a keyframe at the start. And then I'm going to move forward, and here I'm going to, for example, lower the volume of the video like this. Then another keyframe will be automatically added. And now let's move forward again, and I'm going to add some fade out effect. For example, you can just swipe to the right like this. So let's add another keyframe. Maybe we need to add another keyframes in here. I don't know why I can add a fade in a keyframes on fade in, but let's go to the end, and here I'm going to add another keyframes, and then at the end of the video I'm going to make the volume bigger again. So you can see this is the changes on my audio. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.